Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 100 words per minute. This revision is directed against the order dated 7/2/1986 passed by the Judicial Magistrate City First Agra, whereby accepting the final report submitted by the investigating officer without affording an opportunity of hearing to the revisionist. Stop. Next paragraph. The facts giving rise to the revision are these: next para. The sister of revisionist was married to the opposite party on 5/12/1983. Stop. Few months after the marriage, the complainant's sister came to know about the extramarital relationship of her husband opposite party with the receptionist working in his clinic. Stop. The opposite party purchased 4 LIC policies with insurance coverage of rupees 2 lakhs in the name of his wife. Stop. On 5/10/1984, a letter from opposite party informing that complainant's sister was having chest pain was received. The opposite party came to Delhi along with his wife, and both of them left for Agra in the morning of 7/10/1984. Stop. On 10/10/1984, the revisionist received a letter from his sister that she was being harassed by the opposite party for divorce. Stop. On 11/10/1984, a letter of opposite party informing about serious illness of complainant's sister was received. Stop. On 13/10/1984, the complainant along with his brother and uncle went to Agra to call on his alliance sister and was told by her that she was subjected to brutal assault. Stop. On 16/10 in 1984, again a letter was received from her informing that she could be murdered any day. Stop. The opposite party telephonically informed that it was a case of kidney failure. Stop. On 17/10/1984, the complainant along with his brothers and uncle again went to Agra and found his sister lying in bed. Stop. The medicines prescribed by Dr. M.P. Mehrotra were not given to her by the opposite party, and she died the same day at 9:30 p.m. after investigating final report was submitted by the police. Stop. The final report was accepted by the magistrate wide order dated 7/2/1986. Stop. Next para. Heard Sri A.K. Avasthi, Learned Counsel for the Revisionist, Sri A.K. Gupta, Learned Counsel for the opposite party, Learned AGA, and have perused the record. Stop. Next para. The Learned Counsel for the Revisionist submitted that no notices were issued to the applicant, the marker of the first information report. The Learned Counsel, placing reliance on the decisions in Bhagwant Singh versus Commissioner of Police and others, AIR 1985 SC 1285 and Gangadhar Janardhan Marthe versus State of Maharashtra and others 2005 SCC 404 AIR 2004 SC 4753 argued that it was mandatory to serve notice upon the complainant when the magistrate decided not to take cognizance of the offence and accepted the final report. Stop. Next paragraph. The apex court in Bhagwant Singh's case, Supra, emphasized on the desirability of initiation being given to the informant when a report made under section 173 within bracket 2 CRPC stop is under consideration and held as follows colon next para. There can therefore be no doubt that when on a consideration of the report made by the officer in charge of a police station under subsection 2 first of section 173, the magistrate is not inclined to take cognizance of the offence and issue process, the informant must be given an opportunity of being heard so that he can make his submissions to persuade the magistrate to take cognizance of the offence and issue processes. Stop. We are accordingly of the view that in a case where the magistrate to whom a report is forwarded under subsection within bracket 2 first of section 173 decides not to take cognizance of the offence and to drop the proceedings or takes the view that there is no sufficient ground for proceeding against some of the persons mentioned in the first information report, the magistrate must give a notice to the informant and provide him an opportunity to be heard at the time of consideration of the report. Stop. Next para. In Pakhandu and others versus State of UP and other 2001 43 ACC 1096211 all LJ 2798 all, a division bench of this court held that where the magistrate received final report, he may agree with the conclusions arrived at by the police to accept the report and drop the proceedings, but before doing so, he shall give an opportunity of hearing to the complainant. Stop. The legal position is well settled that if the magistrate is not inclined to take cognizance on the final report submitted under subsection 2 of section 173 CRPC, the first informant must be afforded an opportunity of hearing before the acceptance of final report. The revisionist has categorically stated in para 3 of the grounds of revision that notice was not given to him by the magistrate before the acceptance of final report. Stop. The averments made in para 3 have not been controverted by the opposite party or the learned AGA by filing counter affidavit. Stop. There is no reason for disbelieving the contention that notice was not sent to the applicant before the acceptance of final report. The applicant having been deprived of the opportunity of being heard at the time of consideration of report and report having been accepted without hearing him. The impugned order is against the settled principles of law and is liable to be set aside. The revision succeeds. Stop. Next para. The criminal revision is allowed. The order dated 7/2/1986 is set aside. The case is sent back to the Judicial Magistrate City First, Agra for reconsideration of final report after giving an opportunity of hearing to the revisionist first informant. Revision allowed. Stop. सो फ्रेंड्स ये क्रिमिनल मैटर था. आई होप आप लोगों ने अच्छे से लिखा होगा. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.